So let's just go right into the May NPR. And again, it's 2 pages of stuff, and we'll just quickly discuss each one. First one is a new Navistar Dt466. This is actually a MaxxForce DT engine kit. It's got a new piston in it, a 709-6521. This kit is for model year 2008.5 through model year 2009. You can see that Navistar's changed their numbering system. They're starting on a 251 numbering system, so you can see some part numbers that look like a Detroit number now. It's from Navistar. So this new engine kit is as I said, a MaxxForce, which it comes with the head bolts that come in the gasket kit. But the biggest difference in this kit is that the new piston has a larger skirt relief for the piston cooling nozzle. And you can see a close-up view of that skirt right there with the cutout. You see how big that cutout is. And that is for a piston cooling nozzle that impinges in that area to cool the piston. It's a gallery-cooled piston.
Okay.
Also, Pat has been diligently working on some new injectors. These are both for CAT application, 20R2284 and 20R2285. These are what CAT requires a trim file. So they come with a CD that needs to be loaded into the ECM so it knows what that injector is that it's controlling now. So there's a close-up on the injector. Again, it's got a new tip, new O-rings, and it does come with a CD. Also, this kit is it's a Detroit Diesel Series 60 head parts kit. It fits a popular Series 60 12.7 liter and 14 liter non-EGR engine applications. So you can see what's in there. It's got the intake and exhaust valves, the valve locks, valve stem seals, rotocoils, valve guides, the injector tube kits, which come with the O-ring. Also, we have a bunch of new sensors that are available. There's 3 Detroit diesel sensors. You can see them listed here. Some close-up pictures of them. And then also we have a couple of Cummins sensors, fuel pressure sensor, various other sensors for ISC and ISL applications. So that was all I had to talk about for the NPR. If anybody's